Hello there, welcome to another exciting Fresh from the Farm video. In this video we summarize commercial pig farming. If you're super excited about smart and innovative farming techniques as a farmer, or you're just interested in finding out more about farming, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. This video was shot on Dr. Naluyima's farm in September of 2019. Let's get on with it.
We have A, we have B, we have C, D, and E, and each unit has got a purpose. What I'm going to explain to you is what makes money in the piggery, what we call commercial pig farming. Now, be attentive. Here we are. We start with A. A is the following house or the maternity. A pig goes there when she's left with 7 days to give birth. Meaning, you as a farmer, you must be a good record keeper. Take one okume biwandiko kumanya embizo ino gende eri. Egenda yo ngebuza ina ku musanvu okuzaala n'ogitwala yo. Ogitwala yo mangu esolo kumanyira ekifo or at times eyinza okuzaala ngenda kuzina kutuuka. You take it there, she gets to use the place, or at times she may give birth earlier. Are we together? Now, a pig takes 114 days to give birth. The gestation period is 114 days. So you take her there 7 days to that time. When she's there, the 7 days pass and she gives birth. And when she gives birth, she must stay with her pigs for only 28 days. Anything beyond 28 days is a loss to a farmer. Singa embizo eyonkera obwana buyonkera ennaku essuka mu 28 already oli mu loss. So 28 days, withdraw, remove the young ones from the mother. You take them in the winner's house. That's behind, which is A2. Mother pig mujeyo. Remove the mother pig. You put her in C. C ngatunulidde B. B memuli ensajja, the boars. Why facing? When she leaves A, one of the two must happen. Either she's able to see the boar, or must be able to smell the boar. By doing that, it will help her to get on heat faster. You get it? So she's in C now. When she's in C, you're still counting. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, she must get on heat. Or latest day 7. If she doesn't get on heat, day 6 or day 7, loss. Start finding out. Why is she not on heat in the 6th or 7th day? What is the challenge? First, try to find out. Solve the solution. Huh?
She's saying, how do you know it is on heat?
Signs. Obuvoni ejja kulaga sign nti eri kuhit, ejja ku losing appetite, ezimbe mabega, oluusi restless, erinnya ginnazo oba ebisenge. That's how you can know that it is on heat. Yeah. Oh, it can even make noise. Okuteeka wamulizo original okiteeka wamu babeerawo. Okay, kale osaddewo mu booti, osaddewo musikyo, otaddemu emmere, ani asooka okulya? Omukazi abaddewo tajja kulya mmere. That's now management. Yeah. So here we are. She's there 6 days, she's on heat. When she's on heat, please don't count days and then transfer her. No, the days are followed by the signs. Ennaku zigobererwa obubonero obulaga nti embizi ekoze ki esaze. So when she's on heat, you transfer her to the boar pen. Don't do it the other way around. Don't transfer the boar to the female pen. No. It's the female to move to the boar. Omukazi yatambula n'agenda mu maka g'omusajja. And you know why it is so? Huh? You know why it is so? It is something very funny. It's because everything female has what we call territorial instinct. Yes, territorial instinct. You've heard of the Baganda women saying, "Kasende kanye ka chikazi." And you ask, "Kasende ka chikazi kakala chako." It's not legal tender. Kasende kanye ka chikazi. So everything female has that possessive. It is hers. You can imagine you've married your wife. She has a house. You also have yours. So you decide to leave your house. You're going to live in her home. Then you start messing up. What does she say? That's what I want. Frumachi? But nakali bakagatako enyumba yange. The yange is what I want. My house. That's what you call territorial instinct. Everything female has it. That is her territory. It is hers. So to avoid all challenges, don't transfer the male there. No. Remove her and put her here. You get it? And please, when you put her there, don't put her there and then you go and do other things. No, you must be there. Why? You are the principal witness. Now tell me, if you're not there, what are you going to record? How will you know that she has been mounted if you're not there? So your observation is very important. Your presence is very, 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 very vital. So she's on hit, you've transferred her there, she's ready, and when she's ready, immediately the mounting takes place. And after she has been mounted, immediately, no, don't let your female stay with the male. It's bad. Take her back. Take her back. Why do you take her back? You take her back to give him time. Why do you give him time? You give him time because during the mating, he used a lot of energy. Secondly, he lost sperm count. So you must give him time to raise it up. And you give him a period of 10 hours of rest. He rests for 10 hours. During those 10 hours, he's resting, he's relaxing. Secondly, his sperm bank is being built. So after 10 hours, you bring her back for the second mounting. Yes. Those are 2 times. Now, after the second mounting has been done, you now assume that she is pregnant. So there, you start counting your 114 days. 114 days. So after here, don't leave her there. No. Don't even put her in C because another one is coming. You take her in D. D has got 2 parts. In part 1, these are small rooms where she stays all alone. She stays all alone for the first 56 days. Why alone? The pregnancy is tender. If you let her stay with other pigs, they may fight, hit her, and then have a miscarriage. So the first 56 days, she must be all alone. Then the next 51 days, there you can mix them with others as long as not with males. So we have 56 and 51 days. How many days are there together? 107. Now subtract 107 from 114. What do you get? 7. She goes back there. She's now ready to give birth. So for her, she's always on the move, making money for you. She's always revolving.
What happened in the second 56?
Second 56, there you can put them together.
Why?
With others, as long as they don't melt. No, as long as they don't fight. They can be 2, they can be 3. Yes. But the first 56 days, she must be 1. She must be alone the first 56 days. The next 51 days, they can be with others.
So for how long does that cycle continue?
For 4 years.
4 years.
Yes. For 4 years, she should have given birth 10 to 12 times. In E, yes, she's asking what happens in E. Remember, the young ones were in A for 28 days. I hope you're right. Then, after 28 days, they were removed, taken to A2, where they stayed for 42 days. 28 plus 42 is 70 days. Now from there, they move They are taken to E. Now in E, they stay for 80 days. 80 plus 70 is what? 150. Now the pigs are ready for slaughter. They're ready for slaughter. So from E, no. You're not a breeder. You're a fattener. So from E, they just move out of the farm to go for slaughter.
After 80 days.
No, 150 days.
150.
If you make them for mating, it means you have to bring them back to the farm, and that will be inbreeding. With whom are they going to mate? The father. That's incest, man. That's a crime. Huh? So, the parent stock. Yes. Yes?
How long do this stay in A?
In A, 28 days.
28 days.
Yes.
A2.
A2, 42 days. Then E, 80 days. That's after 150 days. And at every stage, there are checkpoints to check your performance. Every stage. At stage A, A1, we have the weight. The day they are born, average weight should be 1 kilogram. Average weight. Onako obuzito wabuzadde bulina okupimwa nomanya kenkana w'obuzito. Akabizi konna kapima half a kilogram, grams 5 webata olunda. Choose a breed. It should be average weight should be 1 kilogram. Then no lunda, you keep 28 days when you're withdrawing them. Ngobujja kumabedda kwa 28 damopime measure again. Average weight should be between 7 to 12 kilograms. Anything below 70, that is bad weight. You get it? Then 42 days in the winner's house. Also measure the weight. Then E, from a gate. When they're getting out of the gate, also weigh the weight. They should be between 80 to 100 kilograms per pig. Anything below that is not very good. That should be between anything between 20 and 25. 20 to 25. Yes, another question. That is one of the youngest boas we have. In fact, the smallest boa. Get out of the machine.
The smallest.
That's the smallest. The other ones cannot turn. The other boas we have, when they go out, they cannot turn. This one is 2 years old. 2 years. 2 years.
Which breed is that?
Huh?
The breed.
It's not we have a Canberra, but a Canberra is not a breed. A Canberra is a hybrid. A Canberra is a hybrid. A hybrid is a cross. Is a crisscross of a number of breeds. Then we get the Canberra. Any other questions? What is the Yes, sir.
That one you brought out, you said it is the young.
Yes.
The youngest.
There is something.
Yes.
The one you have brought out.
Just come.
Excuse me, according to records, how much does it consume a day?
This one, when it's working, it consumes 3 kilograms. When it's not working, it takes 2.5 kilograms a day.
The whole day?
Yes.
Doesn't it a lot? So it's
Yes, other question?
Then what about the pregnant one, which is about to...
Now, you can keep on changing. There are times she goes to 3. No, she's on 3, but there are times when she goes to 4. Then there are times when you withdraw and when she's about to give birth, a week to give birth, reduce her to 2.5. So that you avoid her not overweight, but producing overweight piglets that she may not be able to push out. Yes. Feed, I'll give you the formulation when you go back to the school.
Then the 4 kgs.
The four you give after 1 month of pregnancy.
So what we are missing out
Yes.
seeing the structure.
The
How they are
structure,
made, feeding,
the feeding, we shall look at the feeding. We are going to look at the feeding with the doctor. The structure, it can be any simple structure. What I'm going to give you are the dimensions. What dimension each size of a pig needs. Otherwise, if you're a pig farmer, avoid people going into your piggery. Now, these pigs were weaned on Wednesday. So there they are 31 days. It is 31 days now.
How much is that?
No, this one, we sell them at 8 weeks. At 8 weeks, they go for 350,000.
And 3 weeks, how old is it now?
This one is 31 days. Now, from here, we are going to waste management. We are going to waste management. We are going to see how we manage the gas. Yes? That one is 12.
I mean kilograms. I mean the food they take.
They take little, less than a kilogram.
And are they all in one place or they are separated?
They are spread according to their weight.
Fine.
Yes. We are going to the waste management. Now, all breeds are good.
So there you have it, commercial pig farming. If you love this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel,